Hi, this is Kiran. Let us have some discussion about intercepts made on the axis by a given circle. By what? By a given circle. Let us consider a circle now. Let the given circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Before going to the topic, already we know some information. What is that? For this circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, the center is minus g comma minus f. And the radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. Of course, in the diagram also, there is a circle given to you. What is the equation of that circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Its center is minus g comma minus f. And its radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. Yes, yes, there is x-axis, there is y-axis. Now the center is minus g comma minus f. And the radius is r. What is the value of r? Root of g square plus f square minus c. By all means, what is our purpose here? To find the intercepts along x-axis, along y-axis. What are the intercepts? See the diagram? Yes. AB. AB is x-intercept. CD is y-intercept. Yes. To find their lengths, let us follow the calculation. To find AB now. To find AB, please drop a perpendicular from the center. Yes, the foot of the perpendicular is P. And also please remember P is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. Now it is a simple calculation. What is the length of AB? Twice of AP. What is AP? That is base of the right angled triangle. Of what right angled triangle? Let us check it out now. The right angled triangle is of the vertex A, of the point P, and of the center. Now, AB is equals to twice of AP. Yes. What is the distance from center to P? That is mod of F. In the center, the coordinate of Y, that is minus F. Center to P, the distance we need. So, do take mod of F because it is the distance. Yes. There is a right angled triangle. In that right angled triangle, the base is AB, the height is mod of F, the hypotenuse is R. What is R value? I mean radius. That is root of g square plus f square minus c. Very simple now, applying Pythagoras theorem. AP is equals to root of hypotenuse square minus height square. Applying Pythagoras theorem. AP is equals to root of g square plus f square minus c minus f square. That is equals to root of g square minus c. So, the length of AP here is root of g square minus c. AB is equals to AB is equals to twice of AB. That is equals to 2 root of g square minus c. Similarly, CD is equals to 2 root of f square minus c. 2 root of f square minus c. Now, hereafter, please remember it as a note. For any given circle with a general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. The x-intercept made by it along x-axis is x-intercept is equals to 2 root of g square minus c. Y-intercept is equals to 2 root of f square minus c. Now, yes, please remember it as a note. Always, in any kind of consideration, always the intercepts are always positive. Always the intercepts are positive because simply they are the distances we do take. Let us observe the diagram once again. Yes, there is a particular circle, isn't it? What kind of circle it is? What kind of circle it is? It is touching x-axis. It is touching x-axis. What I mean? X-intercept. X-intercept is 2 root of g square minus c. Is there any x-intercept here? No, there is 0. So 2 root of g square minus c is equals to 0. That it is g square minus, when g square minus c is equals to 0, g square is equals to c. Once again, if a circle touches x-axis, x-intercept becomes 0. X-intercept becomes 0. Now, what is x-intercept? 2 root of g square minus c. That becomes 0. Then, we get the value g square is equals to c. Please remember it is a condition. It has a condition. What is the condition here for any circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 is the given circle. If it touches x-axis, then the condition is g square is equals to c. Yes, the same circle. For example, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 is the given circle. If it touches y-axis, then y-intercept is 0. What is y-intercept here? 2 root of f square minus c. That is equals to 0. Gives us the condition f square is equals to c. Once again, the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 touches y-axis if f square is equals to c. Yes, if there is a circle which touches both x-axis and y-axis, then the condition is g square is equals to f square is equals to c. Able to understand?